Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Rolly Robert Campbell.
Yes, I Robert up morning call. Rise up early, me want to eat all. No bacon, no burger, no foreign twist. Me say Ackee and Saltfish, original yardman breakfast. Seen, wake up fresh with the sun in the sky. Me granny in the kitchen and me nose can't lie. Smell the Ackee cook with the season right. Black pepper dash in me belly feel light. Boil banana on the left side boiling. Fried dumpling on the right side island. Call me the king in a breakfast thing. Saltfish strong, it make me start sing. Ackee and Saltfish, come in a dish. National pride and yardman wish. Ackee and Saltfish, me can't resist. Give thanks for the pot and the stove top bliss. Ackee and Saltfish, real yard twist. More power than the foreign fast food list. Me link up the chef down a coronation. Him say give me 1 hour for the preparation. Me wait on the bench like me dead on mission. Me nose get confused with anticipation. Ackee yellow like the morning sun. Saltfish make me flex like a champion. Me nah need bacon or burger man. Me prefer dumpling with the yam and plantain. Me say Ackee, not fountain. Pick it fresh when the shell open in the wind. Me no want the fake, me no want to sin. Real Saltfish from the fisherman king. Zing! Every Sunday morning, me dead on the block. Me granny cook Ackee in a big Dutch pot. Me friend them pass and them nose go knock. Them say granny still run the whole food shop. Don't forget the scotch bonnet for eat. And the onion tomato fi make it sweet. If you love yard food and you love it neat, Ackee and Saltfish can't get beat. Ackee and Saltfish, yardman feast. Better than chicken from Middle East. Ackee and Saltfish, belly get grease. After that, rubber dub no seats. Rubber dub breakfast, me tell you this. Ackee and Saltfish make me move with bliss. From Kingston straight to Montego Bay. This a yardman fuel for the whole day. It gone now.